Alright guys, welcome back. This is a tutorial for how to navigate Google Classroom and what to do on week number 1. So this should be pretty much what you see in Google Classroom. Now you might not be in my first period class here, but it should say Mr. Coons Chemistry and then your period. At the top of the page there's 3 tabs. There's a Stream tab, a Classwork tab, and a People tab. In the Stream tab, what I'm going to do each week is I'm going to put your directions for the week. So if we click on those directions for the week, it should pop up with a Google Slides presentation. Now I'm logged in as somebody else, and it looks like a bunch of you are already logged in up here, which is great. So you can present if you'd like, you certainly don't have to, but it has the dates for the week. You know, we just have 2 days this week, which is great. Now going forward, it has a basic tutorial of what you should be doing for the week. Right? So go ahead, read through this. Today, I want you to read through the class syllabus. It should be clickable, and there it is. Right, so read through the syllabus. It will, oh man, okay, yeah, great, take it out of the trash. Okay, whatever. So you want to read through the syllabus, kind of check out the office hours for when I'll be able to respond. There's information on here about what to do if you want to contact me for any reason. All right, so if you're like, hey, I got to call you to physically talk to you, we'll figure that out in here. All right, so read through that. And then you're going to go on to the next thing. The next thing is your daily check-in attendance. This attendance time was set by the school district, so I don't really have any control over this. I have to turn in attendance at a certain time each day. What you do is you click on your period. So if you're in period 2, you're going to click on this, and you'll fill out your stuff, whatever it is. You'll put your student ID number in there. You'll put your name in there, whatever it happens to be. All right. All right, whatever. And then you're going to go on to your next page, which is the directions for your first assignment. If you're like, okay, where do I find my first assignment? It's on the Classwork tab, and for each week, there'll be, your various assignments on here. All right, so you got to check the stream for the directions for the week. Sometimes in the stream, in this Google Slides thing, everything will be contained in there, so all your assignments for the week will be contained in there. But also check the Classwork tab. I'm going to try and make it so that each week all the assignments are kind of set up next to each other. Right? So we can click assignment 1, and there's instructions that says create a Google Doc by clicking the create button. All right? Then there's assignment 2. Assignment 2 has this little attachment here about Google Slides. So we'll click on it, and just follow the directions in here. If you did this early, if you did this Wednesday, April 15th, then I actually made a mistake. So my mistake was I made it so that you could edit the Google Slides thing that I had up here. You may have to go back and redo that. Fortunately, it should go pretty quickly. All right, you click that, you open that, you follow the directions, and you're good to go. Let's go back here and go to assignment 3. Assignment 3 is a distance learning survey. So you go, you click on it. These are all things you can do on a iPad, your phone, your computer, or whatever. All right, so you go in, you put your names, check your class periods, and then click the things here. And that's pretty much it for the week. Right? That is really pretty much it. There's not a whole lot else to do for this week. I just wanted to make extra sure everybody was good to go with Google Classroom, with how it works. And if you have any questions, please ask me. I hope this video is helpful. All right, so to recap real quick, you need to go to your stream, and you need to check for this Google Slides thing for each week. You need to check the Classwork tab. There should be instructions here. There are things to click that provide more instructions here. All right, so you can even go through and click on the assignment. Over here, I think I actually forgot to say this, is where you click Add or Create. So if we go back, let's go back to assignment 1 here. We click View Assignment. So to create a Google Doc, you're going to go to Add or Create, and then you're going to go to Google Doc, and then it's kind of working, it's thinking, it's deciding whether it wants to cooperate or not. All right, there you go, it's created. So that file is going to be right here. So now we can go bam, and we can click on it, and then you can do whatever it is that you're supposed to do within the Google Doc. Maybe it's write your name, right? Maybe it's add a picture, or so on and so forth. Some people have trouble adding a picture. It's really pretty straightforward. If you want to insert a picture, you go up to the menu bar up here, you go to Insert, Image, and if you've got one stored on your computer, you can click there and then add it, or you can just search from the web. So let's say I want to search for a picture of, I don't know, a puppy. Right? So we'll type in puppy, and then there it is over here. All you do from here is you drag the picture where you want it. It says creating image, and then there's our puppy. We can adjust this picture up and down, right? So let's put our name up here, Mr. Coates, all right? And then maybe we want to change the font. Why would we want to do that? I don't know. Maybe you want to highlight it. Let's do highlight yellow or whatever. Then you want to add your period. Okay. Well, that's pretty much actually the entirety of assignment 1, but that's pretty much all we got to do for that. All right, so then once you've got it ready to go, there's a turn in button right here. So you can click turn it in once you feel like your task is done. And that's pretty much the same for anything. So you can go back to your other assignments as well. So let's go back to the class. I don't remember which class we were in. Oh, bam, right here. So we can go to assignment 2. And then there's the work, the Google Slides thing for assignment 2. You can follow the directions. You're actually supposed to edit this right here. All right, so you'll edit it as directed. You're supposed to put a picture. You're supposed to put a video, and so on and so forth. I'll let you guys tackle that. All right, so just to recap real quick. I think I already said that, but we're going to recap again. There's the stream. That gives you directions for the week. Each week, there may be additional stuff in the classwork tab. All right, that's where you're going to go. You're going to go between the stream and the classwork tab. All right, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Good luck. You're going to do great.